Welcome everyone, thanks for joining. This video is part one of a micro series that I'm working on where I work to replicate the browsing feature that's in ChatGPT. I really like that feature. I really wish there was an API for it. I'd be able to unlock so much potential if that existed. And because that doesn't exist, I'm going to try and build something similar to fit my needs. My needs in particular are crypto research and stock research, but the whole process of building this is applicable across so many domains. And as I do this series, I'm not going to focus it on crypto. I'm going to make it as wide as possible so that anybody interested in something like this can benefit from the ideas. But in each video, I'd like to leave with a ready-made script that you can download and have some sort of value already. And that's what I did here. At the time, this script uses OpenAI API and Bing API, and using Bing because there is no Google equivalent for an API. But when you make the call for the Bing API, you pass it a search query, and it returns a payload of all the web results that would have came if you searched on Bing directly. And in each of those payloads, there is a snippet, kind of like the preview you'd see in a search engine, about what the contents of that web page are. And I'm just taking that and chaining those snippets together, giving a text blob to ChatGPT or to GPT, and having it analyze and summarize that text. So if you wanted to take this script, it's available in the link below on my GitHub, and it works for any search query. So I'll demo that here. All you have to do is Python AI web search. And I mentioned I was doing crypto research, so let's just use a coin. I was looking at what is the So far this is giving live price, a brief description of what that item is, and so on. I'll give another example of live events. What happened in the world today? Okay, so not really that great, and that's the basis of this being a series, is that trying to improve on it as we go along. What is the weather today in New York City? So definitely a lot of room for improvement, but it did get the weather correct. So I'm going to expand this as we go along, make this really killer, and put this to good use. And I think so many people can benefit from this. Just the ability to automate research. Let's say you hook this up to an RSS feed for your industry. You have articles going through this all day long, and you identify these keywords, and you want to do a bit more research than what the article talks about. This will do that for you. In my example, my use case for crypto, I can hook this up to a market cap database, and whatever is hitting the trending page, this can research that for me. And then you get into a lot of fun stuff. Like, with the right prompts, that research will be so killer, so valuable to you. And I really look forward to this series expanding to build that out. All right, so thank you for watching. Look forward to making the next one.